Welcome to Quick IT Tips for ABAC students with Dr. Chan. Did you know that all ABAC students have a free license to Office 365 for schools and students? To install Microsoft Office with the license, you can do the following. Use a web browser to go to Microsoft Office website at office.com. Find the Sign In button and sign in with your ABAC account and password. If you don't have a user account, you can contact the ITS at SCIT6. Find the Install Office button and select on Office 365 apps. Save the file and follow the installation steps to set up Microsoft Office on your computer. At the end of the installation process, you will now have the licensed copy of Microsoft Office in your computer. However, if you already have Office installed but you don't have the license, you can alternatively sign in with your ABAC account and password to get your copy license. Thank you for your time and see you in the next episode of Quick IT Tips for ABAC students with Dr. Chan.